Welcome to a CheS-Mapper tutorial video. This tutorial shows you how the selection of features affects the 3D embedding of compounds. We have a tiny artificial dataset of 3 compounds here. CheS-Mapper automatically embeds compounds into 3D space, such that similar compounds are closer to each other. Like for instance, these 2 compounds, the pain reliever paracetamol and this compound nicotine. Those 2 compounds are rather close to each other, especially compared to the third compound, which is melatonin. And that means that melatonin is dissimilar from the other 2 compounds. In CheS-Mapper, similarity is defined by the feature values of the feature the user has selected. In this example, we have used 3 constitutional features. The features have been computed by the Chemical Development Kit, a chemical library that is integrated into CheS-Mapper. The features are molecular weight, and we can see that obviously melatonin is much heavier than the other 2. We have the number of aromatic atoms, and as melatonin has 2 aromatic rings, it obviously has more aromatic atoms than paracetamol or nicotine. And the third feature we have used is the number of rotatable bonds. And there as well we have more rotatable bonds in melatonin than the other 2 compounds. And this is why those 2 are similar to each other and melatonin is dissimilar from the other 2. We can use a different set of features by restarting the wizard, and we are directly going to the third step where the features are extracted, and we can see here the currently selected 3 features, and I will remove them and select from the electronic category from the CDK descriptors the hydrogen bond acceptors, donors, and the topological polar surface area. And I will restart the embedding. And now we have a very different embedding from the one before. It's rather equally distributed. In fact, the compounds that are closest to each other are melatonin and paracetamol. And this of course means this reflects the feature values, and we can check the values of the 3 features. And for the first we have the hydrogen bond acceptors, or nicotine and paracetamol is equal. But if we go to the donors, for example, those 2 compounds have 2 donors, while nicotine has none. And this is reflected in the topological surface area as well, where those 2 compounds have a rather similar value compared to the third compound. To sum up this tutorial, the 3D embedding of CheS-Mapper assigns compounds to locations in 3D space, such that similar compounds are close to each other. It is up to the user to define similarity by selecting the features. Thanks for watching.